Hey guys, Steve Stack here, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, back at Studio 3B. I have my buddy with me today, Paul Smiley Struharik from Master Plan Builders. How you doing, buddy?
Good, Steve.
Hey,
glad to be here.
I'm gonna pick your brain a little bit.
There's a slim pickings, but go ahead.
Okay. So you know, design trends right now. We're seeing a lot of it here. Anything from the contemporary still to the modern farmhouse to the rustic kind of farmhouse, right? Behind us here, this is one of the doors that we manufactured back here in our workshop studio. What are they looking at? Are they looking at some of the rustic stuff right now?
Yes, we are doing some of this. It's not as prevalent as our craftsman look, I guess, right now, but the farmhouse look is becoming a popular look. And we do it, this is a little bit more of a rough sawn, but we do it out of some little refined materials like the white oak product. You know, you can achieve this, but get it in just a little bit more refined.
And that's a good way to put it, because the craftsman look versus this is strict rustic.
Yeah,
This is
right,
strictly
right.
rustic. This is a part of our antique collection with the saw curve and the band marks in it. We offer a flooring line like this also, but it's definitely to the edge of the rustic. I mean, it's full-blown rustic. To your point though, you might do a conventional craftsman finish, the interior of a home. This might be a splash for, say, we'll take this door and use it as a barn door.
Barn door.
Right?
Pantry door, we do a lot of different looks in pantries now, where we do some of this even with an etched glass, or maybe a rain glass, something antique-y looking. Looks really like the old days, and then this would really remind me of.
Exactly.
And you did point out this with the saw curves, because that is something that you don't see a lot of, so people really have to like this rustic look. And if not, you can get into these panels, which are, traditional wood grain or traditional graining, but you don't get the soft curves or the quarter sawn look to it, where you do with some of the oaks and some of the more, the rustic look. This is starting to creep up slowly.
Get a little bit of
yes.
traction, get a little bit of traction. Folks, you heard it. Master Plan Builders, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. We'll take you where you want to go, whether it be the rustic, the craftsman. We'll fill the needs, right?
You got it. Yes,
All
sir.
right, Smiley.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for joining me this morning.
Appreciate it. Thank you.